Hi, I'm Lisa Anderson, President of LMA Consulting Group. We work with manufacturers and distributors to transform, upgrade, and optimize your supply chain processes and business systems to drive profitable growth and a superior customer experience. Today, we're going to talk about 5 ways to address tariffs in your supply chain. Number 1, immediately begin assessing your supply chain. Look for your risks and vulnerabilities. Check on your sources of supply, not just tier 1 suppliers, but tier 2, 3, and 4. Check all layers of your supply chain. Number 2, look at backup sources of supply and diversifying your supply chain. You need to have not just a backup source of supply in name only, you need to have one that you can count on when the chips are down. Number 3, look at reshoring production and local manufacturing. As production ramps up and customers change their mind, they are going to want you to have quick responsiveness and the ability to scale nearby. Number 4, look for nearshoring, reshoring, and friendshoring of production. In essence, regional supply chains. These can supplement your local manufacturing supply chains in tariff-friendly countries in a way that will enhance your supply chain, and it could also be for those products that have less complexity and a higher labor content. Number 5, upgrade, digitize, and automate your supply chain. So why is this relevant? You may want to pursue 3D printing and advanced technologies so that you can produce quickly and customize on the fly to support changing customer requirements close to their needs. You also will want to have the ability to ramp up production quickly with limited resources, and you'll want to make sure that you can mitigate cost increases when you're transferring your supply chains to local production and regional production.